This is the SAP Developer News for November 27th, 2025.
Hey everybody, here we are. I'm in Bangalore, India with all my friends getting set up for the developer keynote reversal this morning. And we'll be checking out the developer garage later today to make sure that's all dialed in for you. And we're just really excited to be here in India for the TechEd on tour stop. And we'll know them afterwards.
So say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
On top of all the learning opportunities during this conference season, there are also smaller individual events that are happening, and we can attend and learn from those as well. Here are 3 that are happening in the next week or so. On the 4th of December, there's another SAP open source webinar entitled Efficient Microservices Delivery with Project Confidence. It's a virtual session with Sarah Müller and Timon Schuler that introduces Project Confidence, that's with a K, a new open source project aimed at transforming the delivery of microservices-based software as a service apps. Also on the 4th of December, there's a UI5ers live session, the last of the year, and this time you set the agenda by sending questions in advance. During this Ask Us Anything virtual session, the panel, including Stefan Beck, Peter Missig, Andreas Kuntz, and Margaret Wolny, will tackle them. And on the 9th of December, a few days later, there's an in-person SAP Fiori Innovation Day event happening in the mothership in Waldorf, Germany. An entire day dedicated to the intersection between AI and SAP Fiori. If you're in or can get to the Waldorf area for Tuesday the 9th of December, then register now to attend. Details and links to all these sessions in the description.
In this blog post by Simona M., it goes over how SAP Joule is transforming the way developers move from legacy systems to modern cloud-ready RISE with SAP landscape. It focuses on how Joule helps developers accelerate modernization, reduce technical debt, and speed up SAP S/4HANA transformations by using AI to automate heavy, complex manual work. Now, the blog post walks through how Joule helps developers modernize custom code faster, reduce technical debt, follow clean core principles, and streamline the move to RISE with SAP. If you want the full examples and the end-to-end transformation story, check out the complete blog post in the link below.
Tack to have you here as one of our winners from the Devtoberfest. So you joined, you did win, you featured now with great. That's cool. What are the key takeaways out of this time?
Oh, the key takeaways on it was a really exciting time, and it was really pretty hard to work on those many topics, the whole videos and tasting. And for me the most interesting and exciting thing were the exercises to work with it, because I always, when I do it by myself, I have the feeling I learn the most.
Yeah, it's great. That's why we do all of that. And now you're here in Berlin on TechEd on site. Highlights, most great things.
The most great things is how much is already working. So when you see the keynote and the sessions and everything, when I look at the AI topics, what everything is already working at the moment, it's really. I have not the right word in English for it, so it's great.
Inspirational.
It's just great, and it's an inspiration for the future, and I look forward to use it.
Great, thank you.